The next one is obviously where, and that's when Sam's gonna do a little demonstration for us here. Just grab one of those.
So we'll start on the piriformis kind of glute area where people are sitting, quite frankly, for their jobs, for their career, sitting long periods of time. That tends to get really tight. So I'm trying to target that left side. It's right there in that glute area. So I'll target the left side. I got that left leg up, and then I'll just roll from like the waistline, and then you'll come back down to that bottom bone. You can feel the ischial tuberosity. Just kind of rolling through that pocket, through that area, working that, like Dr. Pine said, 30 to 45 seconds. Then you can roll that area. IT bands, those get really tight as well. So you can kind of roll down through that area as well, from just above the knee all the way up to about that waistline. And then just rolling through those areas as well. Rolling that lower back. So you can kind of roll through there. I like to kind of hit the low back for 30 to 45 seconds, and then I'll transition up into that upper area, moving my arms, kind of working throughout the shoulder blades. Just kind of manipulating that as well, kind of rolling out the rear deltoids as well, and even just laying on it and then just kind of stretching over to help open up that thoracic area. If you find it's a little bit intense rolling on the ground like this, you can modify it by rolling up against the wall and then just kind of doing a squatted position, as I'll demonstrate here. So we'll take this over here to the wall, and then kind of same concept, just rolling through those areas and then just squatting. You have to work for the massage that way, but it's definitely going to work multiple areas and be very beneficial to help release that area, increase blood flow, and help with recovery.